Hello everyone, I'm Tom Finley, and in this video I'm going to go over how to integrate Waalaxy with TomCRM via a webhook. Okay, I'm in Waalaxy and I've gone into prospects and I've created a random prospects list for manufacturing, just a random search that I created in LinkedIn and then I've imported into here. And what we initially want to do is press start campaign, go to browse sequences and filter by CRM sync. So this Jupyter sync is the best one. Select that. Email required, so confirm. And this is of course based on a sequence, and as well I'll show you the sequence here, but it's all about sending it does multiple things, and the different sequences as that list I've just shown you can do loads of different you can do loads of different things with Waalaxy. On this particular one we're interested in syncing the CRM, and this is the easiest and best way to do it. I've put my email details in there, press validate. I've pressed validate and it's brought us into the sequence. So this one you can import. This automates different things, but of course you import prospects, and then from the list of prospects that you got, and if you initiate this process flow, it's going to send an invitation, and after 1 day, send an email. 15 days, send another email, and once it's successfully done that, it's going to sync the CRM. What we're interested in today is syncing our CRM. So here, you can click it here. Of course, you've got the big players in the CRM world: HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, Zoho. You can link via Zapier or directly with HubSpot with Waalaxy. But for TomCRM, we're interested in the webhook version. So here we've got to paste in a webhook URL. What we'll do, we'll flip over to TomCRM and generate that webhook so we can paste it into here. So we're back in TomCRM, and what we're going to do is create a workflow. So we go to automation, which we're already on. We go to create workflow, start from scratch. I'm going to add a new trigger. I'm going to find the webhook, inbound webhook, and that gives you your URL webhook. We're going to copy that. We've put our webhook in. We're going to test that. It has landed, so that means it's sent information over to TomCRM. So if we go back over to TomCRM now, right, we're back in TomCRM. I'm just going to give this workflow a name. So we're going to call it example Waalaxy web contact webhook. Go back to the trigger. It's already pulled it through here. And what we do here is find the mapping reference. So these are the couple that I did earlier. But after we've clicked test in Waalaxy, it's generated this webhook. We can select it, and this is the example data what Waalaxy sent through to TomCRM. And you see first name, last name, occupation, all the useful information that is sent through as an example. We save that trigger, and as you can see, it does automatically create contact. And I have already done this, but this is examples of all the different fields that you can create, and I'll duplicate the website one for you now. So how it works is you add a field, you find the data from the webhook. So we want the website, and then you find that information from the webhook. So you see here inbound webhook trigger. You find within that list company website. Click that and it pulls that through. And you do it for all that data you want to capture incoming from that webhook. Once you're happy with all that, you click Save Action, click Save on that workflow. So that's it. And once that process flow within Waalaxy is triggered, it sends that webhook over to TomCRM. TomCRM will then process this data via the incoming webhook trigger. It'll create a contact and put it straight into your contacts list.